jaw. Fierce animals.
Fierce animals, animales feroces.
A scaly tail that swings around, or a great big claw. Fierce animals.
Fierce animals, animales feroces.
Now there might be a hissing sound or fur that's standing high. Fierce animals.
Fierce animals, animales feroces.
And you might hear a great big roar or see a great big eye. Fierce animals.
Fierce animals, animales feroces.
But even if they might surprise you like it's Halloween, you should know